Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to fix too many friends on Snapchat in 2022. So there are a couple of fixes. So first of all, let's go to our settings right here and let me show you what you can do. So here what you can do is go to apps right here. So go to apps, then we'll have to wait a little bit. We can go to apps right here, go to apps, search for Snapchat, obviously click on Snapchat. Make sure that you go and scroll down and go to storage, and then make sure you clear data and clear cache. Now, after that, what you will have to do is you can reinstall Snapchat as well to make this even more effective. Then what we can do is we can go to Snapchat here, to Snapchat, right? And we can go to, plus here if you want to add friends, right? We can add friends, but what you will have to do is you have chat, and if you have any friends, what you'll have to do, you will have to tap long on the friend and you will have to remove friends manually, right? So here's what's happening. In 2022, as of right now, you can have up to 6,000 Snapchat friends. Now, at first, this number was 2.5K, but currently you can have up to 6,000 friends, which is pretty awesome. So, again, if you have 900 friends and if this is not working for you, or if you have 1,000 friends and this is not working for you, then try to clear cache, reinstall, and then you will be able to add more friends. Now, once you add more friends, again, you can have them until 6,000 Snapchat friends. So make sure once you reach 6,000 Snapchat friends that you clear out some of the friends and that you and add your Snapchat friends. So this is pretty much it. This is how to fix too many friends. It's really simple. And yeah, again, if you have a limit, then you have a limit and you will have to remove the friends or create another Snapchat. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.